Have you ever tried to search for something important in your app, only to be met with frustrating results? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a common issue with searching in Android apps and how to fix it. I totally understand how annoying it can be when your search queries return no results. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users face this issue, especially when trying to find data with partial matches. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "I have tried the following query, but it does not give any result." They shared their SQL query, which is select all from details where name like name. They also mentioned using autocomplete text view for searching. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this issue? The problem often lies in how the SQL query is structured. If you're looking for a substring match, the query needs to be adjusted to ensure it captures those partial matches effectively. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you optimize your search functionality even further. To address the user's issue with the query, we need to modify the SQL statement to allow for substring matching. The user can achieve this by using the wildcard character in the like clause. Next, the user should ensure that the autocomplete text view is set up correctly to handle user input. This means configuring the adapter to filter results based on the modified query. Now, the user can implement a method to execute the query when the text changes in the autocomplete text view. This will allow for dynamic searching as the user types. Finally, the user should test the implementation to ensure that the autocomplete text view displays the correct results based on the substring input. This can be done by running the application and typing in the search field. Did you know? The first search engines used simple keyword matching, and now we can search for anything, even with just a few letters. Technology has come a long way. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user suggests adding wildcards to your query string. By modifying your query to include %signs before and after the search term, you can effectively search for substrings. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution suggests using SQL string concatenation with the like operator. By combining the wildcard % with the input name, you can search for names containing the substring. Additionally, to find names that start with a specific substring, you can use the like operator with the input name followed by a wildcard. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests modifying your query. They recommend using a different name for the parameter in your SQL statement. For example, you can use first name instead of name. This way, your query would look like this. Select from user, where first name like first name. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always test your queries with different inputs to ensure they work as expected. This practice can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. Your search functionality should be working much better now. Remember, testing and adjusting your queries is key. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips. And don't miss our bonus tip on enhancing your app's performance.